Since yesterday, we have had a very fruitful exchange of opinions on the issues that have been covered in the midterm appraisal of the 10th 5-year plan. From the tenor of our discussion, I believe that there is broad agreement with the goals and policies suggested in the mid-term appraisal and that it can act as a blueprint for further action on development matters in the 10th plan. It can also act as the starting point for initiating work on the 11th 5-year plan. During the course of our discussions, a number of very valuable suggestions were made by chief ministers which may require a review of some of our policies, programs and approaches. I am certain that the Planning Commission has taken note of these suggestions and will act on them in the coming months. Today, India is at a historic point in its development trajectory. As I said in my opening remarks yesterday, we are now at a point in time where we can deliver growth at a rate of 7%, 8%. At this point in time, owing to the development over the last 2 decades, there are no external constraints to the growth of our country. It is very much in the realm of possibility for this country to become a prosperous nation, rid of the perennial problems of poverty, ignorance, and disease. The world is today looking at India with great interest as the saga of our development and rise to prominence on the international stage unfolds. Rare are such moments in history when a nation suddenly captures the imagination of the world. In such circumstances, if there are any constraints, these are purely internal. Our success in living up to our potential depends solely on us. No external force can be blamed if we do not rise up to everyone's expectations. Therefore, it is incumbent on all of us in this august gathering to ensure that we realize this potential. It is this vision of a resurgent India that must guide our actions while discharging our duties. As I had said earlier, the environment for India's development has never been as favorable as it is now. The challenge before us is to combine the economics of growth with the economics of equity and social justice. Stop.